So here you have a problem from csir-net 2020 June examination. This problem is from quantum mechanics. Let me just read the problem for you, then we'll discuss the solution. If the expectation value of the momentum of a particle in one dimension is 0, then its box normalization wave function may be of the form. So you are given 4 options. So you know that expectation value of momentum, let's say one dimensional, it is 0. We know this is valid for real wave functions. So if you have any real wave function, then the momentum, expectation value of momentum is 0. So from the options you can see only sin kx is the real function, other functions are not real. So option A, sin kx, is the correct answer. Now let us check it whether this sin kx is giving us the expectation value of momentum 0 or not. Okay, so this is just for our checking. So we have to take the wave function psi of x is equals to sin kx. Now the expectation value of momentum, we can write px is equals to, you know the conventional formula, minus infinity plus infinity psi star x p of x psi x dx. Okay, this is box normalization. So this thing, this minus infinity plus infinity, if we consider a 1D box which has a length minus L to L, the total length being 2L, then this can be converted into this minus L to L. Psi star is sin kx, px is equals to minus I h cut del x, or you should write it d dx for the time being because it's one dimension. D dx of psi x is sin kx into dx. So we can write it in this way, minus I h cut can be taken outside, sin derivative is minus sin kx, derivative of sin kx is k cos kx dx. So minus I h k. Fine. Now this thing can be written as minus I h cut by 2, and we are just multiplying with 2. So 2 sin kx cos kx is sin 2 kx dx. Now this is the integration in the limit between minus L to L. And what is this integrand? This integrand is an odd function. And odd function, if this is integrand is odd, this will produce 0. So the overall value will be 0. In this way we get the expectation value of momentum is 0. So option A is the correct option in this. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section and we can discuss it. Thank you very much. Unacademy is India's largest online teaching learning platform. You can prepare for various competitive exams like csir-net, GATE, JEST, IIT JAM, TFR. Especially if you are preparing for csir-net Physical Science, you can join me on Unacademy Plus. I cover all the 9 units of csir-net Physical Science syllabus. My approach is I precisely give you the concept of the concerned topic. Then I discuss the relevant mathematical formula and do the analysis. Relevant problem based on the topic, including previous year questions, are discussed. Homework and assignments are also given. This is my profile, and if you want to join my Unacademy Plus courses, you can enroll for this course. And if you are new to this Unacademy platform, you can take Unacademy Plus subscription using our referral code PYQs, and Unacademy will give you 10% off. So take the Unacademy Plus subscription today and put your feet one step ahead towards reaching your goal. Thank you.